Hey, it's been a few weeks since we've had our last video update, so thought it'd be time to do that. We're going to take you through what's been going on lately here at Westview. First, you can see our beginning of Tower of Babel. Actually, this is our new elevator shaft that's been completed, and obviously that will house the new elevator shaft that is being built as we speak. We're going to walk into the new north entrance. Actually, I'm standing in it right now, but just going to take you through the lower level here to let you know what's going on. Everything all right down there? You can see we've got a couple of guys hard at work here. The new entrance to the cadet room has been cut, and as we pan to the right, this is an area that will house the GEMS as well as the senior high youth and middle schoolers. We'll take a little walk around the hallway here. Actually, this is not going to be hallway. This is all going to be room. Hallway is going to be on the other side of the wall. You can see that we've cut into the floor here. We do need to do a little repair work, and that is mainly the sanitary as well as the storm lines that are in the ground here. We've got a little bit of a dip in the storm line that has to be corrected, so that's all going to be dug out and reset so we got the proper fall on that. As we move a little bit to the west here, I'm going to take a peek into the new planned bathrooms. Obviously, demo work has been done. And here's a relic. These are the stairs from the original church building to the bathrooms that I'm standing in right now. So this will be blocked up, and again, those will be out of sight once again. We're going to keep walking here. Going to come out of the lower level and head upstairs and show you what's been going on up there.
I could probably give you Tuesday and Wednesday, set the ferns, AC, measure up temper, and all that stuff.
As we go upstairs here, you're going to see some things that might look familiar. I'm walking by offices of Karen and Brent, and then obviously Pastor Pete's office right here, and the church lounge. You can see that new cabinets have been installed. We've got new light fixtures, new can lighting, of course. The ceiling has been worked on. The popcorn ceiling has been removed, and this will be repainted completely as well. So this room's getting quite a bit of work. Heading back out to where the nursery and workroom used to be, and looking at the roof above me. In short order, this entire roof will be replaced. It will be raised to match the height of the ceiling in the friendship room. Again, I'm in the old nursery right now, heading to or looking at the future children's wing and new nursery. You can see some walls have already been partitioned, so a lot of work's been done here, but this is going to be a focal point for the near future with regards to this roof being totally taken off and raised. New rooftop units will be put on. The old ones have been taken off already, so a lot of work is going to be done in this area here in the coming weeks. Now I'm heading out towards the friendship room, which has been pretty much finished now for a little while. But a couple things I just want to point out to you. Number one, we've got these panels for sound deadening purposes. They've been installed, have already shown that they were a good move for us to make. We've had the opportunity to have a couple of gatherings in here, and this has helped with the sound deadening quite a bit. So we're pretty pleased with the way that's happened. They're on both sides of the room, up high near the ceiling. And then lastly, as we walk into the narthex, still looking at ceilings, you can see that we have a new drop ceiling that was completed here, and we just have a couple panels now to put in, and this will be done as well. So that's a quick review, I should say, of what's been going on. And again, we're looking forward to what work is going to be done here in short order. So again, thanks for joining us, and we'll give another update here in the near future. Thank you.